Hello everyone, I am Julka. Today we'll talk about limits. Limit is used to find approximate value of a function. When we say limit x tends to 2, this implies x approaches to 2 or x nearer to 2. Either the value of x is 2.0000 and so on, 1, or it may be 1.99999 and so on. So approximately the value of x is equals to 2. Now we'll solve some question of limits. Limit x tends to 3, x square minus 1. Replace x by 3, we will get 9 minus 1 which is equals to 8. Next question, limit x tends to 2, 5x cube. Replace x by 2 and we will get 5 whole multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 which is equals to 40. Next question, limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1. If we replace x by 1, we will get 0 by 2 which is equals to 0. Next question, limit x tends to 2 in root of 7x minus 5. Replace x by 2, we will get in root 14 minus 5 which is equals to root 9 and which is equals to 3. Next part, limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. If we replace x by 1, we will get 0 by 0. So whenever answer in the form of 0 by 0, we will use factor method. X square minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Cancel x minus 1 in the numerator and denominator both and we will get limit x tends to 1, x plus 1. Replace x by 1, we will get 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So remember that either put limit straight away, but whenever we have an answer in the form of 0 by 0, infinite by infinite or infinite minus infinite, we use factor method or rationalizing method or we use some formula. Next question, limit x tends to 0, x whole divided by the root of 1 plus x minus 1. If we put x equal to 0, we will get 0 by 0 here. So now here we will use rationalizing method. Whole quotient multiplied by root 1 plus x plus 1 and divided by root 1 plus x plus 1. Now in the numerator we will get x whole multiplied by the root of 1 plus x plus 1 and in denominator we will get 1 plus x minus 1 because we know that a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Now 1 cancelled by 1 and now we in numerator we have x multiplied by the root of 1 plus x plus 1 and the whole divided by x. Cancel x numerator and denominator both, we will get in root 1 plus x plus 1 whole divided by 1. Replace x by 0 and we will get 1 plus 1 which is equals to 2. Here we use rationalizing method. Next question, limit x tends to infinite, x square minus 7x plus 6 the whole divided by 2x square minus 3x plus 7. If we put infinite straight away here, we have an answer in the form of infinite by infinite. So take x square common in the numerator and denominator both and now cancel x square by x square. We know that something on infinite is 0. So if we put x equal to infinite here, we will get 1 minus 0 plus 0 upon 2 minus 0 plus 0. So our answer is 1 by 2. Next question, limit x tends to infinite in the root of x square plus x minus x. If we put infinite here, we will get infinite minus infinite. So first we replace x by 1 by y. We know that x tends to y, so y tends to 0. So now we have limit y tends to 0 in root 1 plus y square plus 1 by y minus 1 by y. Take LCM y and now we have in root 1 plus y minus 1 whole divided by y. The whole multiplied and divided by the root of 1 plus y plus 1. Now in numerator we have 1 plus y minus 1 the whole divided by y whole multiplied by 1 plus y in root plus 1. Cancel 1 by 1 and y by y and replacing y by 0 and we will get the answer 1 by 2. Next question, limit x tends to 3, x raised to the power 5 minus 3 raised to the power 5 upon x minus 3. If we put 3 here, we will get 0 by 0. So now we use formula. Limit x tends to a, x raised to the power n minus a raised to the power n divided by x minus a which is equals to n a raised to the power n minus 1. Here a is 3 and n is 5. By replacing in formula, we will get 405 as the answer. Next question, limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power 2x minus 1 upon x. We know the formula, limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power x minus 1 upon x whole equals to 1. So divide and multiply by 2 and we will get 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2. Next question, limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to the power 3x minus 1 upon x. We know the formula, limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power x minus 1 whole divided by x is log a. So in this, divide and multiply by 3. When we divide and multiply by 3, we'll get log 2 into 3. The answer is 3 log 2. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3x whole raised to the power 1 by x. We know the formula, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole raised to the power 1 by x is equals to e. So in this question, we say 1 plus 3x, the power. In power, divide by 3 and the whole raised to the power 3. So inside we get e, and answer is e raised to the power 3. Next question, limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 2 by x whole raised to the power x. We know the formula, limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus x whole raised to the power x is e. So in this question, we divide power by 2 and multiply it by 2. And we know this, limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus a upon x whole raised to the power x by a is equals to e. So inside we have e and the raised to the power 2. So answer is e raised to the power 2. So please remember these two formulas, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole raised to the power 1 by x is e, and the next is limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus a by x whole raised to the power x by a is equals to e. In limits, either we put values straight away, but whenever answer in the form of 0 by 0, infinite by infinite, or infinite minus infinite, then we use either factor method, rationalizing method, or we will use some formula.